What's up guys, Chris Jordan here. I had to make this video again because the file corrupted. So anyways, today is Monday the 13th. So this is from today. And I'm going to go over what I saw in the market today. How I'm up $441 on the day. Why I locked out my account. And then proof that I'm actually getting a payout from Topstep. So let's get straight into the video. Also, if you want to hear my quote-unquote secrets or what I think about trading and how I trade, you could join my newsletter down below or join our free community group. I just created it. It's completely free. There's like, what, 1-2 people in there, me and one other person. But if you're interested in learning how to trade, feel free to join it down below in the comments, right? So basically what I seen today, I know it's kind of sloppy because I have lines everywhere. I use lines to mark up most of my stuff. I seen that the market was kind of moving slow and we're approaching this 4-hour level, right? So we're on the 4-hour higher time frame. And if I go to the 15-minute, this is that line right here. So we're on the 4-hour higher time frame. And I marked up this level as like sort of like a mini level to the point to where, okay, I know this has been tested as sort of like a support level to bounce up, and then we broke through. So if most likely, if it comes down here, which it did come down to the 4-hour, it'll probably come up here and then sell off, right? So basically how I prepared to take this trade before I kind of got to that analysis was this blue line right here. I made a stop order for a buy. And the reason I did this was at 2788 or 2800. Okay. I made a stop order buy on the 830 candle, right? And here's the reason why. The market's been coming down for a little bit. Most of the time, Nas 100 is a uptrending market. So I thought around this time, it's already hit the 4-hour once. It's probably going to push up. And probably make a huge move or decent sized move or whatever. But it never reached my stop order buy. So that's when I kind of factored in, oh, we're trading sort of at a psychological level. So a psychological level is essentially these whole even numbers like 21,000, 2,900. Where's it at? 2,800. Once it came up and hit around 2,800, it started rejecting on this 815 candle. So once I seen that, and noticed that, I closed my stop order buy and got into a sale to the downside back to this 4-hour, which is why I'm up $441. Now, I knew it was going to bounce here a little bit, but I'm not sure where it's going to go now because we're clearly still rejecting around this previous high. So why lock out my account after being up 441? Simply because your job as a trader is to protect your capital first. If you are constantly, if you win trades, but then you constantly give it back to the market, you're not going to last long as a trader. And I had to learn this the hard way when I started becoming consistently profitable. When I started making more money consistently trading, I noticed that I would make a decent amount of money and then give it right back, or give back like half the profits, or sometimes even the whole thing and be down negative on the day. So you have to start protecting your capital and treat it like that. And then you also have to realize, like, okay, $400, let's just do the math real quick. I don't know where my calculator at. Oh, it's right here. I'm tripping. Okay, so you make $400 a day times 5. That's 2,000 times 4 weeks. That's 8,000 a month. Now, I'm not saying every day you're going to make $400, obviously, in trading, because trading, it's, it can range. Sometimes you make 100 on a day. Sometimes you'll take a loss. Sometimes you'll be profitable. But 400 a day is good. And then with Topstep, you only take 50% for the first 30 winning days. But like 400 is a decent amount of money for 10, 15 minutes of work. So it's probably about to push out now, right? For 10, 15 minutes of work, $400 is a decent amount of money. So why am I going to risk it trying to trade this especially when the market's really not moving a lot? Why am I going to risk this to trade a market that's not really moving a lot? And like I always say, I'm hunting for those big moves. So on this day, the 10th of January, I had already made money on Friday. So right, I think that was Friday. Yeah, the 10th was Friday, I think. I had already made money on Friday at market open on the sale, right? I didn't stay in the sale all the way, which is a weakness I need to get rid of. But I already made money, but I had this marked up once this did happen. So I was like, okay, well, most likely if I check the market again, it's going to come up for a second, then it's going to meet down here, and it's going to be a huge push up. These are trades I'm looking for. I'm not looking for this choppy trading. And even today, I wasn't really looking forward to, not really looking forward, because I always look forward to trading. I wasn't really finding anything I like. Even the sell I took here, this little quick scalp, it's like a C level setup or a C level trade. Now, it did meet my rules. We're in a downtrend. We're in a huge downtrend. It's rejecting from a certain level or a psychological level, and it's approaching another level. Yes, all that stuff makes sense, but this is not really a good setup. I would rather take something like this where it came down, pushed up, came back down to the level, pushed back up, than to take something like this. So I'm not going to risk it. So, for example, even when this market went up and it's testing this high, look how much it's rejecting. I don't want to trade in a market like that. Usually when I get into trades, the market goes that direction immediately. So, that's that, right? So I'm up 441 on the day, and I locked my account out to protect my account because I don't want to look at the charts and want to trade extra. So, if you're interested in learning how I trade, or you just want to hear my opinions on trading, my secrets, tips that work for me, my mindset, you could click the link down in the description below to join the newsletter, or you can join my free community. I'll pull that up in a second. It's absolutely free. It's like 2 of us in there. I'm just creating it not only to document what I'm trading, but to also help me become a better trader. Because if I can teach this stuff, I can become a better trader, and that's what's been helping me learn faster by teaching, right? Here's the email for the payout. As you can see, is my account. I'm in the corner. Hi, Christopher. Congratulations on your success and taking a payout. We've removed the requested profits from your account and have started processing your payment. Here's what to expect based on your chosen method. So as you can see, like, this is legit, because I did have someone ask me in a previous video about, can you trust Topstep? For the most part, you can. Right now, Topstep, I think, is the best prop firm right now over Apex Trading and all these new platforms that's popping up or whatever. But I will say, if you're trading with prop firms, it's okay to trade with prop firms, but I highly recommend you trade with a prop firm, build up your cash, your capital, and then move it into a personal account for you to trade, so you have no restriction, no crazy rules or things like that, right? I'm saying that early. But that's it for the video. Oh, also, let me show you community, blah, blah, blah. I just created it. Let me go to the feed or whatever. Oh, my bad. So as you can see, it's community. You have to get started. YouTube videos, say hello, general, profit and wins. I'm going to post that in a second. Trading questions. We have live chat in here. I've just been testing it. Non-trading chat. I'm creating a course. The simple trading course is going to be absolutely for free. And then obviously over time, when I feel like I've become a good enough trader, I'll probably do like a sort of like a cheap, not cheap, I won't say cheap, like a low community model where, you know, you get live streams, things of that nature. My full way on how I trade, how I approach trading, things of that nature. But that's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.